Are you tired of just using Ethio Telecom services? How about owning a piece of it? Welcome to 2026. The Ethiopian Securities Exchange is officially open. For decades, everyday Ethiopians couldn't easily buy shares in our biggest companies, but that all changed with the launch of the ESX. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how you, a complete beginner, can buy your very first shares in Ethio Telecom and Ethiopia's leading banks. Hi everyone. We've waited years for this moment. The Ethio Telecom IPO was just the beginning. The ESX is now a vibrant marketplace where companies are listed and you, the retail investor, can build your wealth. Before we get to the clicking, you need 3 things ready. This is non-negotiable for 2026 investing. Your national ID, the digital ID, Fayda, is best. An active bank account linked to your main Ethiopian bank. The Telebirr super app. It is essential, especially for Ethio Telecom. Now, the core process. You can't just walk into Ethio Telecom and hand them cash for shares. The new system is digital, regulated, and secure. It works like this. Step 1 is the CSD. This stands for Central Securities Depository. This is your digital vault at the national bank. You must create one. Step 2 is choosing your gateway, the intermediary. You must use a licensed broker or an investment bank. For Ethio Telecom, it's easiest. You use the Telebirr super app. It's built right in. For banks like Dashen or Abyssinia, you need a licensed broker listed on the ESX website. Step 3 is the KYC. Know your customer. On Telebirr or with a broker, you will have to upload your ID, your TIN number, and link your bank account. This takes just a few minutes, but it's required by the Capital Market Authority. Now, the actual purchase. Let's look at the 2 big ones in 2026, Ethio Telecom and the banks. First, buying Ethio Telecom on Telebirr. You open the Telebirr super app, go to the mini apps section and find investment portal. Here, you'll see the current share price, let's say 300 ETB. You select how many shares you want to buy. The minimum during the IPO was 33 shares, or 9,900 ETB. You pay directly with your Telebirr balance. It's that simple. The shares are automatically sent to your CSD account. Now, buying bank shares. This is slightly different. Most banks like Dashen or Abyssinia are listed on the secondary market of the ESX. This means you aren't buying from the bank itself. You are buying from another investor who wants to sell. You cannot do this via Telebirr yet. You must use your broker's dedicated trading app or contact them directly before buying any share. Bank or telecom, you must review the prospectus. This is a document the company publishes that explains their profits, their plans, and their risks. It's not free. Expect a service fee, while competitive. A typical transaction fee is about 1.5% of the total trade value. And remember the risks. Market risk, prices go down. Liquidity, just because you want to sell doesn't mean there is a buyer that exact second, though the ESX makes this much faster than the old paper-based days. And finally, the best feature of 2026, the Ts'ega Investor Portal. This is a unified national bank platform. Whether you bought through Telebirr, Ts'ega, or another broker, all your shares are visible here in one single digital wallet. You can view your dividends, your history, and your total worth. The ESX has opened the door to financial opportunity for all Ethiopians. For the first time, you have a stake in our national development. Start small, read the prospectus, and welcome to your investment journey. Let me know in the comments, which company are you most excited to invest in this year? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.